Alright, we are here for the first impressions on the 2021 Africa Twin 1100 Standard. No DCT, as a matter of fact the clutch is over there. No Adventure Sport, as you guys can tell from the low windshield. Just the base model, which already comes with a lot. I mean, look at this screen over here, and we have cruise control on this side, so fully adjustable suspensions down there. But we are here for a first impression, not a full review. And before we go ahead with that, check out this jacket. This is Ironborn from Viking Cycle. They sent it to me to try, so I found myself using it actually quite a bit. It's sub $55 and it works as a mid-season jacket. So links in the description, go check them out. But we are here for some first impression on this Africa Twin, and right off the bat I feel at home. The riding position, the size, the distance from the handlebar, the way my knees are bent on the bike, and most of all, the absence of a frame that would bang against my knees over here. It's quite an improvement. As I was expecting after test driving the Adventure Sport, I was expecting this bike to be nimbler than the Adventure Sport, and indeed it is. Very nimble, fast in the moving. The bike feels very, very light. You can quite tell that it's a substantial bike. It's quite heavy, everything considering. But, and on top of that, the engine. As much as all the review keep talking about this engine not having enough power because they compare it to a $20,000 KTM 1290, this thing puts up some pretty good power. Which, to be sincere, I wasn't expecting because of all those reviews. Instead, this thing pulls, and pulls pretty good. So much so that in first gear you can power up and do a power wheelie like that. I have no idea where I'm going, but check this out. This is obviously nothing more than a gravel road, but feels pretty good. Ooh, slide in the rear, and everything is turned on right now. So I feel really comfortable on this bike, not just comfort-wise, but getting it on. It feels, and here I am comparing it with the F800 because I had the F800 for so long, but it feels like a more nimble, more powerful version of the F800. Not intimidating at all. The size is quite nice. The balance is really balanced. No foot on the ground at a stop sign. And the gears are spot on. Literally spot on. Very nice engagement. And check this out. On first gear, coming to a stop, foot down, look, neutral. No fiddling, no going second to first, first to second. Well, I mean, yeah, I'm used to the Aprilia and the Ducati Scrambler, so. But the gears come in really nice. Suspension-wise, because of all the bitching I heard from professional reviewers about the suspensions being soft and horrible, I find them to be quite firm, actually, and they're fully adjustable, so there is some wiggle room to make it feel better. But they soak up the pumps pretty nice, and at the same time you can still get feedback from it. Mirrors are just like the one from the Adventure Sport, so I'm not even gonna go there. And the screen, same thing. It's nice, it's big. You can customize the riding modes, and you have different type of screens and different riding modes, and two fully customizable user 1 and user 2, which is a giant plus. I'm gonna keep it in touring because I know nothing about those mods, so for now they're gonna stay in touring. One thing that everybody, when they pick this version of the Africa Twin, everybody seems to be focusing on the off-road. So much so that most of them seems to forget to tell you how good of a road bike this actually is. Very minimal vibrations, and it's a twin. It's a parallel twin, so would expect to vibrate much more. Very relaxed. Guys, I'm enjoying this thing a lot, and I really love this color, this metal flaky blue, red and white, sparkly. Brings up the kid in me. Leaning and opening up. The engine seems to come alive around 4,000, 4,500 RPM, and then it starts really pulling. The seat is on the firmer side, and I have a big butt, so, but it fits well. You know, I'm not sure about riding hundreds of miles on it because I haven't tried it, but it's comfortable enough. So very positive first impressions. Rides very natural. As I said, riding position is right at home for me, and I'm 186 centimeters, which comes to be 1.5, 6'2", depending on the day. And suspensions are great. Engine is great. I don't know what those guys are talking about, and it looks pretty good. So very positive first impression. Thank you very much to my patrons that made all of this possible, and at this point thank you very much to all my subscribers, because we are growing, slowly but surely growing. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression of the 2021 Africa Twin 1100 standard, I guess. Check out this biking cycle jacket, and ride on, and I'll see you next time.